Hey everyone, the Vivo Watch 5, set to launch on April 21st alongside the X200 Ultra, X200S, and Pad 5 Pro, marks a significant evolution from its predecessor, the Vivo Watch 3. Vivo has already teased several major upgrades that not only improve the user experience, but also refine the watch's focus on health and longevity. One of the most standout improvements is in battery life. The Watch 5 boasts an impressive 22-day battery life, a notable jump from the Watch 3's 16-day lifespan. This enhancement can be credited to Vivo's shift away from Wear OS to its more efficient proprietary Blue River operating system. This OS is designed to be lighter on resources, offering the same smart features while drastically reducing power consumption. Health tracking, already a strength of Vivo's wearables, has been further amplified in the Watch 5. Vivo introduces a 30-second quick risk assessment feature for detecting arrhythmias and other heart-related anomalies. This brings the Watch 5 closer to being a serious daily health companion rather than just a fitness tracker. Blood pressure monitoring also makes its debut in this generation, adding another dimension to the device's suite of biometric sensors and making it more well-rounded for users with a focus on preventive healthcare. The inclusion of AI-powered running coaching is another notable addition. While Vivo has yet to reveal full details, this feature is expected to offer real-time guidance, personalized insights, or form analysis to help runners improve performance and reduce injury risks. This suggests a move toward a more intelligent fitness experience, where the watch doesn't just passively collect data, but actively interprets and acts on it to assist the user. To put these updates in context, the Vivo Watch 3 came with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display at 466 by 466 resolution, a rotating crown for navigation, and ran on Vivo's Blue OS. It supported advanced health features such as 8-channel heart rate monitoring and 16-channel SpO2 tracking, along with stress and sleep tracking. The Watch 3 also supported over 100 sports modes and offered practical connectivity features like motion gestures, NFC access, music and audio control, and Bluetooth calling. At 36 grams, it was light on the wrist and delivered up to 16 days of battery life. The Vivo Watch 5, therefore, builds on an already solid foundation by extending battery life, improving health monitoring with more serious medical assessments, and leaning into AI for enhanced training and coaching. With these upgrades, it positions itself as a compelling choice for users who want a smarter, longer-lasting, and more health-focused wearable. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this watch. Have a nice day and God bless you.